How to fix pull-up for precise seeking problem on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll guide you through how we can fix that issue. So let's go on with the process on how we can fix it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to do so, head over to the YouTube application and let's go on with the settings to fix on it. So here, after you have logged in into YouTube, you're just gonna look up for the option called Q tab at the bottom right and head over to your account here. Just tap on the settings at the top right corner. After tapping on it, you'll be finding all of the settings here. You're just gonna look up for the option called accessibility here. When you scroll down a bit, you can find the option called accessibility under video and audio preferences. Just click on it and you'll be able to find this accessibility player option. So if you have this option turned off, just make sure to turn it on, and after that you'll be finding this option called hide player controls below it. Just click on it, and if it is on this use device settings, just gonna switch it up to after 3 seconds and just go on with the process of playing a video into YouTube, and that should probably fix your issue. So that's how you fix it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.